Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Moin. I'm back again with another video. So today's video we're going to be doing a weekly chart breakdown of what happened in the charts this week. Now, before I even show you, let's actually go on the charts because I have not been on charts since yesterday. It's Saturday, April 5th, 2025. I haven't been on charts since yesterday, Friday. But, alright, let's see. I'll be honest with you, the charts are a little messy. This week, the charts are messy. Okay, we're on the daily right now. That's why it's clean. Here, let's go on the 30-minute. Look at all this. Sheesh. Sheesh. You see all this? See the blue? See the yellow? Okay. I know you're probably wondering, what is all this blue? What is this blue right now? Okay, so before we even get into the breakdown, as you may know, the markets have been a little wild lately, right? They've been spiking up. They've been a lot more volatile, right? And I was thinking about this. Quarter one, I have my strategy. I have everything that I'm looking for. And there weren't a lot of opportunities I lined up with that strategy. And I also understand that strategy, I used the markets from last year, right? Because last year's markets were moving a lot, but not really. They're kind of slow. But coming to this year, obviously new president for the US, trade and all that stuff. The markets are crazy and they're wild right now. So guess what I have to do? I'm still going to get settled with my trading plan, but I'm just not going to get a lot like I'm used to. So I need to tweak my strategy a little bit, which is where all these blue stuff come in, right? I had been backtesting this new strategy, it's not really a new strategy. It's still my same strategy that I have. It's just now I'm bringing it to the 5 minute and the 1 minute. So I'm I'm in and out of trades, and I'm gonna break it down exactly why. But yeah, first let's do the weekly breakdown. Ooh, look at this, man. In 2 days, silver had this big move. Let's see the weekly. Sheesh. All right, cool. Let's go to gold. The gold barely did much. There you go. It did shift though, so I would say that. All right, so obviously we're coming to the market on Monday morning. We're pushing to the upside, so I'm looking to buy realistically. This is Sunday. Okay, cool. Monday morning. Let's go down to the 1 hour. So coming to the market on Monday morning, I'm looking to buy on gold. I'm also looking to buy on silver. Oh, wait. Yeah, I was looking to sell on silver. I was looking to buy on gold. But because silver was looking to sell and was pushing to the downside, gold had the shit right here. So now coming to the market on gold, let me go back. Right here. So when I came to the market at 6 something, right? I'm looking to buy on gold, but keep in mind, silver, I'm looking to sell. So just remember that. Looking to sell on silver, but looking to buy on gold. So I didn't take any trades on this because there's no clear order block to take it on the 15-minute from. So there was no clear setup for me to take. But why is this blue thing here? Because this was my new strategy. I'm gonna break it down right here. Literally, I'm still working on it, so it's not the best yet. But I'm gonna show you what I have right now. So I come to the market, right? I'm looking to buy overall. The price pushes the downside on silver, so remember that. But I'm looking to buy on gold because we're pushing the upside. Cool. So I come to the lower time frame. Now I need an area to buy from. As you can tell right here on a 15-minute right here, we have this area to sell from because I'm looking to sell on silver. So if I were to buy, I would be buying into the zone. But if I'm looking to sell, if I was looking to sell, if I was buying, I would be buying into the zone to then sell. But if I'm looking to buy for the move, I need price to make an order block and to give me an entry signal, right? This way you go down to the 5 minute. So 5 minute, come to the chart, right? Price is doing the shenanigans. Boom, boom, boom. Big push up, makes an order block right here. Cool. Makes an order block. Let me go back right here. Makes this big push right here. This is where the strategy comes in. Then okay, I see there's an order block right here. Now I would wait for price to come, retest the order block, fill it, and then continue to the upside. So then you go to the 1 minute. Okay, price did this right here. Let me show you. Pushed up, boom, whatever. Right here, shifted structure, bullish. It was bullish here, close. Oh, well, it's still bullish. But it made a new high right here. So now what do? I wait for the retest, which it is giving right here, but I probably would be waiting for a deeper retest. So deeper retest happens like this. Cool. Now I would need a break above this level to tell me, okay, now we're continuing the bullish momentum. So from right here, I would need a close above here to take this trade. Because now it's telling me, okay, 1 minute is bullish, 3 minute is bullish, 5 minute. Now getting ready to push the upside is going to be bullish. So now it just makes sense to take the trade. So then I wait for a big engulfing candle above. Cool, take the trade right there, stop loss right below. And then, like I said, I'll be targeting this level right here. Let me show you. I'll be targeting this level on the 15 minute just because I know I'm looking to sell overall with a higher time frame of silver. So I'll be looking to buy into this area. And then let's see how long it takes. 15 minutes for us to pull to this area. And this was a 1, 2, 3. Like this strategy, I know it. I didn't really explain it well because like when I was doing it, it just made sense to me. It's hard for me to explain it to you because you don't have the experience. I don't know, but I'm gonna condense it, simplify it, and then teach you. But yeah, that's basically the strategy. Like go down to a 5 minute, find an order back in a 5 minute, wait for price to fill it, wait for the retest, go on a 1 minute, wait for the shift to structure, take the trade, boom, to the upside, and then look at the EMAs. Beautiful. So yeah, that's basically it. So now that price came here, now I would most likely get out this trade and be looking to sell. So if I get bearish engulfing, which we did not get, I would not be looking to sell on this trade on the 15 minute. Why am I looking for it on the 15 minute? Because overall, I'm looking to sell. This is my original trading plan. I would be selling on the 15 minute, but on the 1 minute, I can find a quick scalp up here. Now the thing with this strategy is, which I've been debating about, is how many trades a day do I want to take, and how much am I risking per trade? And also, look, if I get a 1, 2, 3, so let's say I'm risking 1%, I get 3%, like $3,000, right? Would I still want to take this big trade overall? Like, I already got my profits for the day. No need to be greedy, right? But if the setup still presents itself on a bit higher time frame, that just makes sense, then I'm gonna take it. But anyways, yeah. So Monday there was no trade on gold. I did all that just to show you that there was no trade on gold. Silver, there was no trade as well. But same thing with the strategy. I'm literally gonna show you how it works. Cool. So go down to the 5 minute, right? Oh, okay. This was one that works very similarly. As you can tell, there's an order block on the 15 minute right here. Cool, but we're not really paying attention to that. Go to the 5 minute. Cool. 5 minute made a shift to the downside. Now, there's a 5 minute order block and a 15 minute order block. There's a 5 minute order block right here. Which one makes more sense to you? The area where there's only one 5 minute order block, or the area where there's a 5 minute and a 15 minute order block overlapping? It just makes sense to go to the higher one. Cool. So I waited patiently, right? If I were to take this trade anyways, I would need like a strong confirmation, which I guess it gave me a strong confirmation right here, but it's just not the best, not what I need. And this level's up here, so price could literally sweep liquidity right here. Like, sweep liquidity right here, tap into this order block, 5 minute and 15 minute, and just give a better entry signal. So obviously, if price did shenanigans right here, I would not have taken this trade. I would let it go up. Cool. Now I would keep letting go up, tap into the 5 minute order block. Cool. Go down to the 1 minute, where the shift the structure right here. Most likely take it right here. And then stop loss would be above the 15 minute order block, just to give it enough breathing room, because again, if you're going to higher time frame, this trade lines up with the higher time frame buyers. So then I would just go to the higher time frame to put my stop loss. Obviously, price just flowed beautifully. Yeah, this is, if I were taking on the 15 minute, like realistically, this is how it would have been. But since I took it on the 5 minute, I was being conservative with my TP. So that's where it would have been. But I didn't take this trade. This is just me back testing. Like, most of this week is just back testing. So let's just close this out. Yeah, this week was just back testing. I know this video is like not really going over what happened in the week because I didn't take any trades in the week. Like, there were no good opportunities on the 15 minute. So no trade. Like, my interest in it was not there, so I wouldn't have taken this trade. It's on a lower time frame. Again, my interest in it was not there, but on a lower time frame, good trade. And the thing with this strategy is, one, it works on a lot of pairs. Like, it doesn't just work on gold and silver. As you may know, my strategy is mainly focused on gold and silver because that's the pattern that gold and silver make. But this strategy, I can use it on USD CAD. I can even use it on the NASDAQ. That's how I knew, like, okay, I'm on the right path. I was back testing on the NASDAQ, and it works. Like, it works. Obviously, we lost on this one, but if we had waited a couple more minutes, we'd have better entry, better RR as well. But it just made sense. Like, even on the NASDAQ, it just made sense. And it probably could work on Bitcoin too. I don't know. I didn't try it. But yeah, this week was just back testing, improving, trying to adjust to the market, because we need to adjust the market. Like, I'm not gonna sit back and wait for my trading plan to line up perfectly and miss out on these big moves. Like, I can adapt to the market, I can change, and I can take advantage of the market movements that's happening. Now, I did take one trade, which was on Friday, and we lost, but I'm okay with that loss, right? So this was my first day. As you can tell, I put in my notes. This is my trading journal. So today was the first day of trying the new strategy live. It was on silver. I lost, but then a better one presented later, also on gold and silver, USD CAD, whatever. Let me go down to a lower time frame and let me break this trade down exactly why I took this trade. Cool. So coming to the market, we're looking to sell again. 15-minute order block right here. What I just showed you guys earlier, there's a 15-minute order block. But if you go down to a 5-minute, I come to the market at 6. Okay, cool. I like 550, most likely. Yeah, 550. So order block is right here. Now, price pushed up here, give a bearish push to the downside. So now I'm like, okay, cool. 15-minute order block is right here. 5-minute order block is right here. Price is most likely not going to sweep above here, break above here. It could, but I don't know that. It's not like the way this momentum is shifting. It's telling me, hey, I'm looking to sell right now. So I found an order block on a 5-minute. Now, what did I do? I waited for the retest of it. Go down to a lower time frame. Okay, cool. Shift the structure on the 1-minute. Now I needed the retest of this of the 5-minute order block. Price did its shenanigans, and I was waiting for the break below here. Obviously, it never broke above here, below here. I mean, it retested here. Like, let me show you. Retested here, never broke up below, so I couldn't take this trade. Like, I needed it to break below. That's like my confirmation. Let me know, hey, we're gonna continue to the downside. It didn't shift below here, so I'm like, okay, cool. Waited for it to do its shenanigans. Eventually, made an order back on a 1-minute, came back and retested. If you go on a 3-minute, it looks cleaner as well. Beautiful. So then I was like, okay, cool. Now I just need a break below here. I need a break below this neckline right here to continue to the downside. That's it. That's all I need. Obviously, got the break right there. Cool. Took the trade, put my stop loss above, and we were floating. Like, I only risked $40 because this is my first day trying this new strategy, so I only risked $40 on it. And we were up. We were up like a 1-to-1. Like, we were up $40. But guess what? This is our TP right here, and price was close to our TP, so I was like, okay, cool. I'm just letting it do its thing. Obviously, price reversed on me, stopped me out, and then pushed the downside right here. I was a little mad because I'm like, are you serious right now? Like, you just stopped me out just to go my direction. But then, obviously, price stopped me out completely. So then I was like, okay, cool. Well, because I'm still trying to figure out how many trades can I take in a day and how much can I risk. So price stopped me out. I was like, okay, cool. I'm done trading for the day. My strategy, I'm going to look over, I'm going to improve it and get a better entry signal. I got off the charts, right? If I had just waited, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I had just waited 15 minutes, price would have given me a beautiful push to the downside. Not that one. Well, I guess, yeah, that one right there. Beautiful push to the downside. I would have taken this trade again on the 1-minute because now it's rejecting this order block. Stop loss right above. And guess what? Not only would I have taken it to this level right here, which is a 1-to-2, I could hold it to like the overall TP, which was 1-to-4. So this is a 1-to-3.6, 1-to-4. And it gave a better entry signal, better RR. And yeah, I guess I could have put my stop loss a little shorter, but just to give it space to have breathing room. I mean, look at it. Beautiful. This trade played out so beautifully. I was a little mad because I had gotten off the charts, but I'm also glad because I was disciplined and I wasn't like revenge trading, I guess I would say. But yeah, it was my first day trying out this new strategy, so I'm okay with it. So obviously, trade played out beautifully. EMA rejection as well. Just beautiful trade overall. And there's a setup on gold, but I didn't really care about gold because I was focused on silver and then USD CAD as well. You can take this trade on. This strategy works on all time, like different pairs. That's what I like about it. Works on indices, metals, currencies. Like, I don't know if it works on Bitcoin, but maybe. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. I'm gonna make a more detailed video breaking down the strategy even more and how it works and how I'm gonna apply it. And yeah, I'm gonna keep developing it and keep making it better. So I hope you learn something from this, right? Stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent, and God bless you. God keep you safe. And yeah, keep going. You got this.